But I'm curious, can you both tell me a little bit about yourselves and your professional background as it relates to this topic? Cheryl, I'll start with you.
Yeah, hi, my name is Cheryl Spriggs, and I'm currently a team lead on Premier Support at Zapier. I've been here for about 2.5 years and have about 10 years of customer support experience. And one of the reasons why I'm really excited to be talking on this uh, conversation and topic is that it's important to know what's going on behind the scenes of agent experience and to really help them through continuous improvement and ensure they have all the tools and resources they need without burning out.
Perfect. Thank you. And Zach, how about you?
Yeah, thanks. So I'm Zach Lee. I am the current operations and support manager here at EQS Group. I've been in the industry for about 8 years or so, previously at a company called Huddle, just before this. But yeah, I'm excited about this subject as well. I think from my perspective, I've been around a lot of support and implementation teams, everything from onboarding to escalations to knowledge management basis things that are all really exciting subjects to me. But the biggest thing from my perspective is how can I make our agents excited and wanting to be around, wanting to, collectively accomplish a mission that we've all set out together. And I think from my perspective, that's setting really great processes in place, but also going back to the numbers that make sense, making sure that they're aligned with that, and that we're always continually progressively getting better in those areas as well.
Perfect. And then I'm curious from the two of you, you've each seen our content outline for the webinar. What topic are you most excited to talk about next Thursday? Cheryl?
Yeah, I think I'm most excited to share about what we've been doing with tooling and automation to improve the agent productivity experience, and really about how excited and bought in our team is about using AI tooling to locate information, craft responses more efficiently, and how we're just all really on the same page to move forward and utilize our own tools as well to help us improve.
I love that. That's definitely on a lot of people's minds as we're coming into the new year. Zach, what do you think?
Yeah, from my perspective, I've come from a very advanced environment where we were doing a lot of automation, a lot of background, and things that were really helpful for us from an automation perspective. And coming into this role at EQS Group, I had to start a team from scratch that, full transparency, is pretty basic. And I really am excited about the things that we're doing right now to make that even better from a tools perspective when it comes to our phones, our email systems, and even the internal order processing that we're doing. As simple as creating some macros within spreadsheets all the way to, using more AI-based responses and improving our response times when it comes to turnarounds, et cetera. Those are all things I'm really excited to delve into and go from the most basic things to the more advanced perspectives as well.
Perfect. Awesome. Thank you both. Well, I hope that gives everyone a taste as to what's coming next week. If you want to join us live, we will be discussing this topic in more detail next Thursday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. And I'll put a link to join in the comments of this post. Thank you, Zach and Cheryl, and we'll see you next Thursday.